what gives him that confidence to come back and bowl two very good overs for the team. And it really counts on a wicket like this. If you can restrict opposition to 160, especially when in the first 6 they have scored 60 runs. I thought it was a very good effort by the bowlers.
Mahi, you talked about Virat's innings. Can you also talk about your partnership with him in particular? Because when you arrived at the crease, it was like 10 or 11 or maybe 12 runs needed per over. So you guys broke down into running the singles and doubles.
He still needs to pay to me. I was running his runs. But I've said, in the middle overs, if you're a good runner, that really takes a bit of pressure off you, because what you can do is on these bigger outfields, you can. My point of view is also general point of view, because it's not only applicable to me. When I talk about what I do in the middle, it's applicable to everyone, because that's how cricket is played. I'm not somebody who's great. I'm just I play unorthodox cricket. I'm very simple cricket. Push it in the middle, run or two. If it's in your area, hit a 6. So it is very simple. I'm not someone like Virat who can hit over covers, also mid wicket, square leg, third man. I know my areas, and if it's there, I like to clear the boundary. That's what my strength has been. And in the middle overs, it's all about running between the wicket. If we can take that double, that puts a lot of pressure on the fielders, and that actually pushes the captain to bring the fielder up slowly. You keep bringing them towards you, and then you have the power to clear over their head. What he wants to bowl, and more often than not he executes well. So it's all about that. You have a clear picture in mind as to this is what I want to execute. In case of Bumrah also, it's very similar. When he comes to bowl the last couple of overs, he knows I'm going to bowl Yorkers and slower ones, if the batsman does something. And they are so good with the execution part. They have that confidence, and game after game, they just build on more and more confidence. So it's good for the side.